What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're well. Today we'll be looking at Elrond on a daily time frame, and we're seeing what we're exactly thinking over the last few days. Since losing this $45 support, although we haven't lost the actual low, we've been saying on the channel for months, as long as we are above this, everything is okay for the continuation upwards. That's why we broke out of the descending triangle and we formed a bullish cross which we held. Then I said going forward we must not close below this, otherwise we're coming back to attack $45, and if we lose $45 then of course we'll continue lower. So we've seen the daily close below on that candle over here when we actually came back up into it. Even though we actually reclaimed $45, I was telling you guys, no, this is resistance. It's an area of 45 to 50. So as long as we're closing under that, then we should actually continue lower. So that's what we've seen at the moment, but of course bouncing off the daily closes over here. But after bouncing off this daily close, we're going back into this previous support, $45, as resistance again. So if we see this close as it is right now, we'd call this a shooting star. So this is a bearish candlestick. It's a bearish continuation pattern. So as we're flipping the 1 fib level into resistance, can you see we bounced off the 1.272? We actually reclaimed the 1 fib level, which is a very positive sign. But of course we were aware that it's an area of resistance between the 1 fib level, and for this example as well as it is the 786, but we were just focused on 45 because it was a higher low anyway. But as well as $50, it's a nice psychological level. So this area of $5, it was once support with wicks going downwards, bounces from here, bounces, but again losing it support, just flipping it into resistance. So this is what we should just continuously see going down. If we lose this low, when we pump back up into it, it's just going to be a resistance. So we flip this support into resistance over here, and this would be like another nail in the coffin to say, yes, we are heading now to $36. This is going to be our next target. This will actually take out the low. Our low at the moment is $37. And with this ugly candlestick pattern that we're seeing over here, it's a sign that it wants to continue lower all the way down to 36. It's not the end. It does not end there. We actually have targets lower, but understand that at this point at about 36, as well as this previous bottom, you're going to have a bounce between 36, 37. So because 36 is actually below that, it is an eventual target, but we have some support a little bit higher between 38 and 37 over here. I will make that green because at first you will bounce, but I am anticipating this bounce will maybe just flip this 1.272, which was once support, into resistance and then continue lower. Okay, understand that. So that's what I'm going to be that's what I'm currently seeing for Elrond going forward. If I see any changes, if we're closing above $50, I'll let you know. But again guys, the capitulation began over here from $65. So if you want to invalidate any further downside, I need to see us reclaiming that level, as of course we capitulated, forming a bearish cross, taking out that bullish cross as well as the low, which I said we can't lose, flipping that into resistance, as well as losing $45 and flipping that into resistance. These are just not good times, guys. It just means it wants to keep going lower and lower and lower and lower. And if we do take out that $37, don't think that it's going to stop anytime soon. It will just keep going and going and going. And previously, I think it was on the monthly time frame, we spoke about this $22 resistance over here. And we don't want to take that out essentially. It's our wave one high, but let's looking at this, guys, that's where we're heading towards right now, about $22. You can see we have a build up of support over here, but if we're losing that support, you can see the next resistance is here. So this will be a key support in the future, anywhere between $21 to $24, $25, apologies. So that's like a $3 range. Other than that, that's pretty much it for today's update. Please like, subscribe and comment. Send in a super thanks if you want to donate to the channel, and check out the new channel memberships. There's some new perks added to them. I will be doing some fan shows in the near future, and with those fan shows I'll bring on fans to actually debate or discuss what their views on the market is, whether we agree or disagree, and we'll have a little debate or just speak about it. If you're interested in something like that, comment down below and check out the channel memberships. Thank you guys. Let's like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.